It is a Monday morning. I'm about to go on the first ever Practice Owners Club Workcation. We are on the road trip.
There we go. There we go. Hello. Skills! Oh, hi. That's what will be really hard.
It is a Monday morning. I'm at my desk, but I'm not working. Why? Why are you not working, you absolute work machine? I hear you ask. Because I'm about to go on the first ever Practice Owners Club Workcation. I am all packed clothes-wise. I'm just packing my little tech bag, trying to keep it as light as possible, which is hilarious, I know. But come behind the scenes, let's pack and I'll chat to you a little bit about what we're getting up to. Okay, so before I get 10,000 DMs and comments saying, what is Practice Owners Club? How do I join? And how can I be on the next workcation? Do not worry, I've got you covered. You just need to head to my Instagram profile, and I have a broadcast channel, which is our little group chat, but is just for practice owners. So if you're a practice owner or a wannabe practice owner, so you want to be one in the future, then you can join the broadcast channel, and that is where you receive content that is literally just for us, just for the practice owners. Exclusive content, loads of updates, very wholesome chat. So before I get 10,000 questions on that, that's where you need to be on the next workation. So we have booked an Airbnb in York for a week. We're talking Monday to Friday workation. This is the first ever workation I've been on that's not just girls, not just women or girls. Oh, you know when you got long nails and you get Vaseline under your nail? Yeah, this is the first workation I've been on that is mixed gender, which means Mr. Harris is coming too, which is very exciting because normally a workation means time apart, but not this time. This time it means we get to be together, which is really exciting. Tech-wise, I'm taking my laptop, my charger, my mouse, just a little bit of lighting and a tripod for filming, because workations are really good for getting some B-roll, just nice behind the scenes stuff. And I also wanted to take my gimbal. I'm just gonna pack my gimbal as well. We'll just give you a little traveling OOTD for you. Obviously, she's wearing head-to-toe Tala. This is the Tala top with the built-in bra, so she's living her best life because she's not wearing a bra. So Tala top, Tala fleece, Tala trousers, and then just my Nike Air Force because I am a millennial that doesn't know what else to wear. So I just need to grab my gimbal and we can get the show on the road. It is a long journey. We're picking up Ruby, who lives, I was gonna say on the way, it's actually not on the way, but we're picking up Ruby. So let me run around the house like a crazy person, check we've got everything. I nearly forgot to tell you the most important person who's coming on this workation, who has never been on a workation before, is Blue. So because me and James are both coming, we were trying to organise dog cover, and then James was just like, should we just take him? Like, it's a really beautiful house in the middle of nowhere. Everyone that's coming was really happy, very dog friendly vibes. And so we're taking Blue on a workation, which is really, really, really exciting. So let me run around the house like a crazy person, check I've got everything packed, and then we'll get the show on the road. Practice Owners Club Workcation. First ever Practice Owners Club Workation. Let's go. You say, hi everybody, I'm just going on my first ever workcation, and I wore a bandana because it's a business meeting to make everyone see how smart I am. Good boy. Should we show everyone what you're packing? We got his dog food, little treaties, and then we've got his favourite toys. We've got Frankenstein, Raffy the giraffe, and Corny the unicorn. You excited? Yeah, good boy. Hello, hello. We are on the road trip. First stop, Ruby's house to get Rubes. But the man, the myth, the legend is joining us on the workation this week. James has never been on a workation before, apart from ours.
Never been invited.
Not true.
It's not true.
So James is probably in your position, which is having never been on a workation before. So what are you feeling?
I'm just excited to sit in the hot tub and play pool.
Yeah, it's a bougie Airbnb. Like there's a pool table, ping pong table.
Is there ping pong as well?
Yeah, like loads of board games to play, hot tub. James loves a hot tub. Yeah, you've been dancing around the house saying, I'm going on all day.
I feel like Rachel's gonna MBA all over the workation. I'm gonna holiday all over the workation.
Yeah. So what are you most looking forward to? The hot tub.
I've had a really hard 4 or 5 months, so I'm just looking forward to... I'm in the wrong lane.
Yeah.
Sorry everybody, wrong lane. I'm not going to the shop for food.
No, it's
Force of
McDonald's.
habit.
And the gym. But
And the
McDonald's.
I'm looking forward to seeing people that are doing similar things.
Yeah. Yeah, because I feel like as practice owners, there's like really good events like Accountex and stuff. But like the networking is the best bit of those events. But the events are so chaotic. You don't really get just like time to just have conversations, talk about stuff, ask people how they do things. Like I feel like it is that time. And we've got a couple of different meals planned. So for like breakfasts and lunches, we are just like self-catering. We've done a food shop. And then in the evenings, we've got caterers coming in. So tonight we're having a really big welcome meal, 3 courses, it'd be really nice. And then tomorrow is a barbecue. And then I think we're DIYing it on Wednesday. And then Thursday we're having a Mexican fiesta. So we've got catering in, which will feel very special, which is really nice. And then we've got monk mode happening every morning, and we've got a running club. Lucy's going to do yoga every morning, like teach people yoga in the mornings. Yeah, then we polled people to say like, do you want specific sessions or do you just want like themes for the mornings and the afternoons? And we just sort of like have really deep open conversations about that, and everyone voted for themes for each morning and afternoon. So we've got like marketing, processes, scaling, management, leadership, all of those things. So that's very exciting as well. So what are your thoughts?
I'm interested to see how people deal with problems and to find out there might be some problems that we're going to face in the future, and just ask how other people are dealing with them, so we'll be prepared for whatever happens, you know.
Yeah, I love that. All right, cue Workcation road trip time lapse, and we'll see you when we get there. Guys, we're here. We are here. It was a long drive. I didn't actually end up vlogging too much of the drive because James got very tired driving, so I had to take over halfway, so obviously couldn't vlog and drive. But we're here. We're just getting set up. Just coming into the car to get my last little bits and bobs. Then I can give you a tour.
Look at this. This is life, isn't it?
Oh, hi!
Hey there.
Welcome to our crib.
So, who lives in a house like this? Let's find out.
Hi!
Welcome to the wonderful farmhouse.
So this is the living quarters
/ games room / ultimate entertainment home. That's what we'll be really happy with.
This is the
naughty corner, obviously, where I will be spending most of my time. I might as well start here for the rest of the duration.
Oh, it smells
look
great.
at this. Oh, look at it. Look at it. It's hard not to nick a plate now. What does the fridge of dreams look like? We're about to find out. Boom.
It's like a Christmas tree.
It is very much like a Christmas fridge. And look, check out the snack corner as well. We've got.
I've actually had something really nice, just try it.
Nice, super cool. Check those bad boys out. And as standard, James and Stuart propping it up, keeping it all together. And then it's got alcohol in it. Does this open up? Yes, of course. Oh, but there's no booze. In room number 2.
The Cabo farmhouse, eh?
Beautiful. And a sweet log fire.
Stuart, can you play piano?
Yeah, sure. Oh, that was so close to being great. Yeah, so far away.
This is our...
Who do you think this room is? Maybe a little clue there. Into bathroom numero 1.
Show us how it works.
Oh, it's the bad boy bunk beds. Who's got the top deck up here?
Oh, we could do hide and seek later, mate.
Nice view.
Definitely a girls' room.
Yeah,
Smells like a girls' room.
Smells like a girls'
Nice.
room. Girls' room number 400.
Oh, because you've got your separate living quarters. They've separated.
Oh yeah,
quarters.
the boys are in the shed. The boys are in the shed. We've got to go and see
They're
the
in the
shed. Yeah,
outhouse.
we'll take you to the shed. And out we go. The real reason we're here. Shed. Come on in. Already claimed the one bed with the plug socket. Right. Take in those, woody boy vibes. Go on.
Me to get him.
Yeah.
Who was on?
Oh. And he's in. Boom. Right, you ready? You ready?
There we go.
There we go. I've got maybe a bit more, can't let's go. I want to make it more of a ride. Oh, we definitely need to have some chats here, 100% on why I'm dumping QuickBooks and moving to xero. Oh. Hello. This, is our great dining area. We've got a few riffraff that have come along, but we try and, keep it. I'm pro pool player.
I'm 2-0 on Aaron. Although I think
come
that's
on.
because the table's not flat.
Is that what it is?
Yeah.
So James is now going to do a great trick shot. He's going to double this. He's going to double this into that pocket, aren't you, James? If not,
What?
skills! In fact, you put an apple on your head,
Like
and we'll be
Robin Hood.
sorted. And we'll be sorted, We'll be all good. Oh. It's too light, that dart. Too light. That's what that is.
See you soon.
Bye.
How many years ago?
About 20 years.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to get one. No, in fact, no, I'm going to get 2.
What's happening here? The boys wearing matching hoodies.
What marshmallow? Do you want me to bring you one for you? Of course.
Oh, good service here, Lucy.
Yeah.
Absolutely insane first night. Just so wholesome, lovely, friendly. Very excited to get kicked off today. The views are wild. I've just brought Blue out for his morning wee. I think he might be doing more than a wee, which is good. If you've got a dog, I feel like you'll know. You know that they're like settled in and relaxed when they've done more than a wee. Yeah, so I think we're gonna go for a run this morning because the views are beautiful and I feel like it's a good way to like get your bearings. So we're gonna go for a run this morning. I think Lucy's gonna do some yoga. So do some yoga. I need a coffee. So first mission for the day is coffee, and then later on I am leading a goal setting workshop, which is super fun, and I'll bring you behind the scenes of. So let's get up, have some coffee, see what people are doing for breakfast, and then we'll get the show on the road. So let's go. out for 2 seconds because it's very, very loud, but I just cooked breakfast for 14 people. I am a massive feeder, so I'm definitely in my element, and I also find cooking's like really good introvert time because like no one's really bothering you or talking to you. And I'm now just about to host a kick-off session which is going to talk people through how to do long-term goal setting in their practice and to help them understand what they should be focusing on for the next week. So let's go. Okay, so it is day 3 of the workcation. I dipped out yesterday for a speaking gig, so I had to go to Scotland and back in the day, obviously, because my life was chaos and the schedule wasn't scheduling, so had to nip up to Edinburgh for a speaking event yesterday, which went really well. So it's day 3 of the workcation today. We are about to get stuck into some, probably hear everyone in the background, about to get stuck into some advisory training, and then we're going to do some processes and systems later on. So come with me.
What do you want from that value-wise? What have you got in savings? What have you got with assets? What debt have you got? Have you got life insurance, critical illness, income protection? Like, that is an easy win and easy referral to someone else then as well.